Have you ever felt stuck, like no matter how hard you try, something unseen holds you back? It's not your fault. Hidden beneath the surface of our daily struggles lies an invisible force, your energy. This energy shapes every thought, emotion, and action, but when blocked, it traps you in cycles of stress, doubt, and frustration. What if you could master this force? Today, we'll uncover powerful techniques to remove energy blockages and reignite your natural flow, bringing clarity, peace, and abundance back into your life. Ready to reclaim your power? Let's dive in. Imagine life as a serene river, its waters weaving through rocks and bends, always finding a way forward. This river represents energy, our life force, constantly moving, nourishing every aspect of our being. But sometimes, debris like doubt, fear, or stress clogs the flow, creating stagnant pools that echo the dissonance within. These blockages remind us that while the river's destiny is the ocean, the journey demands harmony. Every twist and turn of the river teaches us a lesson in surrender. The water doesn't resist, it doesn't fight against obstacles but flows around them, shaping them over time. Similarly, when we align ourselves with this natural rhythm, we embrace a powerful truth: resistance only deepens our struggles. By allowing our energy to flow freely, we nurture a life of balance and spiritual well-being, much like how prana and chi infuse vitality into every cell. In our modern existence, we often forget the art of flowing with life. Think about moments when you tried to control outcomes, clinging tightly to expectations. Were you left drained, your energy scattered like leaves in a storm? Embracing the essence of flow invites us to trust the current, to believe that the universe holds us even when waters seem turbulent. This trust is a form of energy healing, aligning our vibration with the greater cosmic dance. Now, take a moment to pause. Place your hand on your heart, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the life force connecting you to the universe. Do you feel the energy shifting within? This simple mindfulness practice is your first step to unblocking stagnant waters and rediscovering the sacred rhythm of your soul. But what if this flow is not just about yielding but also about something greater? Next, we'll explore the very nature of energy itself. Energy is the invisible thread that connects everything in existence, weaving through galaxies, souls, and the spaces in between. It is in the flicker of a candle, the laughter of a child, and the rhythm of your heartbeat. This energy, known as prana in yoga and chi in Chinese medicine, is not merely life's fuel but its essence. It is the silent force shaping thoughts, emotions, and actions, a sacred dance of vibration that reverberates through the universe. But energy isn't static. Like waves in an ocean, it rises and falls, sometimes harmonious, other times chaotic. Have you ever felt an inexplicable heaviness, as though something unseen pulls you back? These are moments when your energy is out of sync. Whether through unresolved emotions or the pressures of life, disruptions create blockages, hindering the natural flow. Yet, the beauty lies in our ability to recalibrate, to return to a state of balance. Science and spirituality converge on this understanding. Neuroplasticity shows how focused thoughts can rewire the brain, while quantum physics reveals how observation alters reality itself. Energy responds to intention, meaning that your awareness can influence not just your internal state but the outer world. By cultivating mindfulness and practicing meditation, you tune into this powerful current, transforming it into a source of healing and renewal. Now, close your eyes and imagine yourself as a vessel of light. Feel this luminous energy filling every corner of your being, washing away the remnants of past doubts. What does this energy tell you about your connection to the cosmos? Hold that thought, for next, we'll dive into the barriers that block this sacred flow and how to overcome them. Have you ever felt lost, disconnected from who you truly are? I created 3 transformative ebooks to help you reconnect with your true essence. Click the link in the pinned comment and start your transformation now. Imagine a river suddenly halted by a dam, its waters losing vitality, becoming stagnant pools. This is what happens within us when energy blockages form. These barriers arise from unhealed wounds, chronic stress, or patterns of thought that trap us in cycles of negativity. Left unchecked, they manifest as fatigue, emotional turmoil, or even physical discomfort, signs that our mind-body connection is asking for healing. Think of a moment when you felt inexplicably stuck, as if your life had lost momentum. Perhaps an unresolved conflict or fear anchored you, its roots entwined with your deepest insecurities. These blockages aren't punishments, they are mirrors reflecting what needs attention and transformation. The universe doesn't conspire to hold you back, it whispers, asking you to confront and release what no longer serves you. In ancient practices, these blockages were seen as disruptions in the flow of prana or chi, the vital energies that sustain life. Techniques like pranayama, reiki, and meditation are not just traditions but profound tools for energy healing. They help clear these barriers, restoring harmony and allowing our natural vitality to return. When energy flows unobstructed, life feels effortless, like a melody without dissonance. Pause now and reflect, what blockages might you be carrying? Take a deep breath and imagine it dissolving into a stream of light, moving freely once more. What if you could learn practices to keep this energy vibrant and unencumbered? In the next section, we'll uncover these powerful techniques to help you break free. Picture your energy as a garden, lush and vibrant when tended, but overrun with weeds if neglected. Practices like mindfulness, pranayama, and reiki are the tools that cultivate this garden, clearing energy blockages and restoring harmony. They are not just exercises, they are sacred rituals that reconnect you with your essence and the universe around you. Mindfulness invites you to step out of the noise and into the present moment. It's as simple as sitting quietly, feeling the ground beneath you, and observing your breath. This act of presence quiets the mind and creates space for energy to flow. Similarly, pranayama, the art of conscious breathing, acts as a gentle wind, sweeping away stagnant energy and filling you with life force, or prana. Reiki, a practice of energy healing, works as a soothing balm for the soul. Through gentle touch or even distant intention, it realigns the energy centers, or chakras, bringing peace and renewal. Imagine lying down, a wave of warmth spreading through you, as your energy finds its natural rhythm. These practices teach that healing isn't about force, it's about surrendering to the flow of life itself. Take a moment to try this, breathe deeply, holding your inhale for 4 counts, then exhaling for 8. Feel the shift as your body relaxes, your mind clears, and energy begins to hum through you. What other ancient wisdom might guide us in this journey? Next, we explore how cultures have long revered these life energies as the cornerstone of spiritual well-being. Across the ages, humanity has recognized energy as the sacred essence of existence. In ancient India, prana was celebrated as the breath of life, a force flowing through nadis, energy channels, sustaining body, mind, and spirit. Meanwhile, in China, qi was revered as the vital energy harmonizing yin and yang, coursing through meridians and grounding the practice of acupuncture. These traditions saw energy not just as a resource but as a spiritual connection to the cosmos. The Mayans mapped time and existence with astonishing precision, aligning their rituals with the universe's cyclical energy patterns. To them, this energy was a living force, guiding the rise and fall of civilizations. Similarly, the Egyptians revered Maat, the divine order and balance of the cosmos, maintained through spiritual practices that honored life's rhythm. For these cultures, energy was more than a concept, it was a divine covenant woven into the fabric of life. Even Western traditions, such as alchemy, sought to transmute not just metals but the spirit itself. Alchemists believed in an ethereal energy connecting the material and spiritual realms, a truth mirrored in the as above, so below, Hermetic axiom. These practices echo a universal wisdom, that aligning with energy brings harmony, abundance, and transformation. Consider this, the ancients understood something profound about energy that modern life often overlooks. What if we, too, could rekindle this sacred relationship? The body and mind are deeply intertwined, forming a sacred symphony of energy and awareness. Every thought resonates within the body, influencing its state, while the body's sensations echo back to the mind, shaping emotions and perceptions. This profound connection highlights the truth that balance and harmony in one cannot exist without the other, emphasizing the importance of nurturing both for spiritual well-being. Stress, for example, manifests physically as tight muscles, fatigue, or shallow breathing, signaling imbalances in our inner energy flow. On the other hand, peace and joy create lightness in the body, a reminder that harmony within translates to vitality without. When we understand this, we begin to see that physical health and emotional clarity are not separate, they are aspects of the same energetic dance. Practices such as meditation, pranayama, and Reiki act as bridges between the mind and body, harmonizing their connection. Meditation quiets the mind, allowing the body's wisdom to surface, while pranayama rejuvenates with life-giving breath. Reiki, through its energy-balancing techniques, restores the body's natural flow. Together, these tools serve as anchors, grounding us in our present while elevating our spiritual and physical vitality. Tending to the mind-body connection is not merely an exercise, it is a sacred practice that honors the wholeness of our being. By listening to the whispers of the body and calming the waves of the mind, we step into alignment with our highest self, cultivating a state of balance that radiates through every aspect of life. You now hold the key to mastering the invisible force that shapes your life. The question is, will you take the first step? Start small, practice mindful breathing, release what no longer serves you, and let your energy flow freely. Share in the comments, what blockages have you overcome, or what practices resonate with you? Let's inspire each other. And don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications. Your journey to spiritual empowerment is just beginning. Together, we'll continue uncovering the secrets to a life of balance, clarity, and boundless energy. Have you ever noticed how life seems to get hardest right before a breakthrough? Those challenges, the stormy moments, they're not here to hold you back. They're signs that something incredible is just around the corner. In the next video, we'll uncover the 6 crucial signs that your breakthrough is near and how these moments of adversity are actually paving the way for transformation. Are you ready to see the obstacles in your life in a whole new light?